Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're doing a bathroom remodel, don't skip that very important step of replacing your toilet. I have the one that you can use that will be perfect, and this is by SOTOMO. This is a gorgeous 17-inch high, easy to use toilet that was also easy to install. The toilet arrived safely, really packed well in a box, and it's one piece, so you don't have to worry about any issues in that transit. The toilet itself was really easy to install. Not only did it come with the hardware, but it came with really easy to use instructions, and the customer service for this company is phenomenal. The toilet is a gleaming ceramic white, very, very pretty. It's 17 inches, making it really easy to use, even for elderly ones, because it does not sit too low on the floor. I really like the easy to use flush as well. It's a 2-touch button on top. So of course you have that number 1 and number 2 buttons, and it works with no problem. The toilet seat itself is an easy close, so you don't ever have to worry about kids slimming down that toilet seat, but rather everything about this toilet we are super satisfied with. I really like that the toilet is very pretty and modern looking, and it was so easy to install. The toilet is comfortable to use, and it looks beautiful and gleaming in our bathroom. It says that it's a petite size, but honestly, we are super happy with it. We would install this in every bathroom in our home. Don't skip that important item that you need in your bathroom renovations. Go with this awesome, beautiful, gorgeous toilet, and that's just my point of view.